see I have him and you walk up and you fucking kick him and you hit me in the face. I'm sorry, bro. Save your sorry for later.
Welcome back to Aussie Veteran Cop, where we break down high-risk policing for the average cop. In this video, we're going to cover off on a video from police activity, some body-worn footage from Florida police who've chosen to use a taser in a situation that just basically didn't work out for them. Now, we're going to cover off the pros and cons of the taser and maybe discuss some better options that they could have used instead of the taser in this circumstance, because it wasn't particularly effective. It's not the most reliable weapon system out there, and we'll look at what other options we could have used in this situation. Now, to set the scene, police have gone to a casino where there's been a dispute between two males, apparently about a lottery win. It's turned into an alcohol-fueled fracas, and yeah, the police have got to sort it out. My name's Matt. I was an operational cop for nearly 17 years, specialising in general duties, organised crime and training. I don't know everything there is to know about policing, but I can certainly share some knowledge. Now, before we crack into the video, just a reminder that this is for educational purposes only, and this is not legal advice. Let's crack into the video. Okay, in the situation, although we do have a bit of a background in the story, who knows, you know, from a police officer's perspective, they've got no idea what's going on between these two at this stage. They don't know who's in the wrong, and they've just got to deal with it.
Kidding me? No, get on the ground!
Okay, so that offender has kicked the cop. I think he was trying to kick his opponent instead, but he's missed and kicked the cop. Yeah, still an offence, and let's see how they deal with it.
He's 12, step it up. I just got kicked.
Relax, do not. Just stay there. No, you're not.
Okay, something to take on account here. He's a single unit officer. He's got no backup other than the security guards on scene, and luckily they've helped him pull that other guy away.
You, enough. I didn't know you were here. Doesn't fucking make it.
Okay, so what do we notice? That taser is laying on the ground at that point. Now, this is one of the problems with the taser. It means you've got something in your hands, and yeah, you should obviously reholster it. In a scuffle like that, it's easy to drop it, and that's one of the issues with using the taser. Now, what could have been a better option is perhaps just using OC spray and spraying both of them. That might have brought them both under control and made them have a big rethink about what they're doing. Let's see how they go from here.
Difference. What the fuck are you doing? I got caught in the face.
Okay, massive operational safety issue there. That taser is still on the ground. Yeah, he's trying to handcuff him, but yeah, you got to get that taser away. Otherwise, it could be used against you.
You stay there. Put your hands behind your back right for fuck now. Put your hands behind your back and get against the fucking wall! Against the wall!
Okay, now it looked like the taser wasn't effective. I know that he was immediately tackled by that other offsider. Yeah, great tackle, good hit up. Now, again, taser, not super reliable. You got to get both of those probes to hit on the body and stay hit. Now, you want to try and get the biggest spread you can to get the maximum NMI, which is neuromuscular incapacitation. That'll get the most effect. Didn't look like it had any effect on him at all, so he probably didn't get both those probes to hit. But luckily, his offside was there to scoop him up.
Who else? The female. Taser deployed.
Was that the only one?
No, I have one on the ground there.
Looks like the offender's got a bit of a bop on the mouth when he's hit the ground. Yeah, that's a shame.
He fucking kicked me in the face. He's fucking going. All right.
Okay, just in regards to the swearing, I've got no personal issue with it. Yeah, it's a heated situation. He's been kicked in the face. Yeah, he's pissed off. I've got no issue with it. Just remember that sometimes other sooks do, so just try and bear that in mind in those situations.
I stand too.
Can I get you?
Yeah. Over here. See it's secure for you now, so you can start going. Okay.
Yeah, did I hit you?
No, I just doubled him.
Give me one additional.
Please!
You okay?
Please!
No.
Please, sir!
He fucking kicked me, he's going.
Alright, you okay?
No. You see I have him and you walk up and you fucking kick him and you hit me in the fucking face.
I'm sorry, man.
Save your fucking sorry for later.
Okay, yeah, again, I've got no issues with swearing, but like I said, other people might, but yeah, not an offence in my opinion. But I just wanted to highlight, yeah, the pros and cons of using the taser. When it is effective, it is very effective, but the problem is you've got to get both of those probes to connect with the body, otherwise it is basically useless other than the option of a drive stun. Yeah, I think a better option in this circumstances, he could have gone, I'm assuming he's carrying OC spray as well, he could have used that, just dosed both of them up, let them have a good rethink about what they're doing, and they probably would have stopped fighting, most likely on their own accord. Yeah, just another option to think about. It's not that what he did was wrong, but yeah, leaving your taser on the ground like that isn't a great result. What do you think? Leave a comment down below. Do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next one.